Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Make sure you stay to the end of this video because I have a very special announcement to make. Today I'll be making a shrimp bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of shrimp, 1 pound of andouille sausage, 8 small potatoes, 4 ears of frozen corn, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, the juice of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a small bowl, add the onion powder, red pepper flakes, and paprika. Now add the garlic powder, salt, and Old Bay seasoning, then mix until well combined. Place your potatoes and corn in a baking dish, then season with 1 teaspoon of your seasoning mixture. Now add the olive oil, then mix until well coated. Transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. Add the remainder of your seasoning mixture to your shrimp, then mix until well coated. In another small bowl, combine the melted butter and lemon juice. Now add the garlic and parsley, then mix until well combined. After 40 minutes, remove your pan from the oven, then add the sausage and shrimp. Top with the butter sauce, then return to the oven and allow it to cook for an additional 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove it from the oven and then it is ready to serve. You've asked for it and now it's finally here. Soul Food Cooking the Cookbook, available at Amazon or by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.